Welcome. I'm Melvin Yates with the Flagship Group.
And I'm Kay Houghton with Kay Houghton Associates.
We are at 727 Diamond Avenue in Alexandria, Virginia. Hey, we're in your neck of the woods.
We are. Thank you so much for coming on down and checking out this beautiful neighborhood here in Alexandria. Alexandria as a city is absolutely fabulous, but this particular location is extra special. We have a brand new metro just around the corner, and you're only minutes from Amazon's HQ2.
Okay, HQ2, new metro, old metro, so we got close proximity to both.
Commuter's dream. You also have a bus system and easy access to any of the major highways. Now, to top it off, we also have downtown Del Rey right around the corner for dining and for shopping. And Old Town Alexandria is just a few minutes south.
I love Old Town, so it might be a place to eat or two.
Yes, absolutely. Good dining, good shopping, just a fabulous location overall.
All right, and about this location at 727 Diamond Avenue, Tree-lined street, are these real? These are real houses, right?
Right, it looks like a movie set, doesn't it? It's absolutely stunning here, but yes, this is a real street, real houses, and some lucky home buyer could make this their street one day.
Yeah, and this is like, what, 5 bedrooms? How many?
4.5 baths.
4.5 bathrooms, 3,000 square feet, and there's a bonus in the back.
There is actually one of the most unique features is the fact that we have a separate carriage house, which does provide you with an extra bedroom and bathroom and 2 parking spaces.
Wow, 3,000. That's amazing. Let's check it out.
Home. Melvin, are you getting distracted by that amazing whiskey selection over there?
Oh, there are lots of options here, but I'm even more impressed by all of this countertop space.
Absolutely. I think that is one of the more unique features about this particular home is the huge kitchen. I mean, you can entertain, you could cook a gourmet meal, you could simply sit and have conversation with friends. So much counter space, so many cabinets.
I love it. Lots of space for storage, and I love the floors.
I know the floors were one of the more unique features as well because they were a custom selection. These owners actually purchased the home directly from the builder, so you're practically buying new construction with this home, but they chose some of the more unique features.
Yeah, I see, and it's less than 8 years old. We've got an in unit, so we've got lots of natural light.
Tons of natural light, and that's evident throughout the home. So whether you're on the first level here or all the way up on the top level, which has some amazing views, you're getting a ton of natural light.
Okay, well, I think with this open floor plan here, I know we've got the first floor powder room. Let's go outside and check out, go upstairs and check out that. That
upstairs, outside.
Upstairs, outside.
So much to see.
Which one we're gonna go?
We'll start up first and take you guys out back right after.
All right.
I have to say, this room is probably my favorite in the entire home, simply because it has so many different purposes.
Okay.
Can I have to take? Literally, I am so out of shape.
Listen, you and me both. I'm trying to control my breathing.
Okay.
All right.
So.
Well, you definitely get a lot of exercise in this house.
You definitely get a lot of exercise.
Not for the Peloton, which I don't believe conveys.
It does not. Unfortunately, the Peloton does not convey. But I will say, where she has the bike positioned, this is one of the most beautiful views. Oh. And imagine how that's going to look when all the leaves change. And this room is just such a bonus because it has so many purposes. As you said, there's more storage here. You could set up yet another bar right here.
Main floor bar.
Yeah, if you wanted to. But it's also a kid hangout space. It's the music room. It's the exercise room. It just serves so many purposes. So it's a really cool space.
Yeah, I love it. And laundry up here as well?
Laundry on this level. If we continue this way, laundry and all of your heating and cooling. You have this loft area, which obviously makes a perfect office. Again, with lots of natural light coming in. Then you have a full bathroom and full bedroom on this level.
Overlooking the carriage house or the
casita. I like to call it my casita in the back.
And I guess you could. I mean, this really up here could be like an entire master suite.
It really could. I actually thought of that. This could be your your primary suite. I personally would turn this into my dream closet.
Oh,
Get all the alpha shelving, dream closet there. I know everyone probably prefers a home office, but I'd make it a closet.
all right. But let's go down and check out the next level.
Sound great.
All right, as we come down onto the second level, we've got 2 bedrooms right off of the steps.
Yep, 2 additional rooms plus a full bath. And I have to say, I just love the ceiling height. You have such amazing ceiling height, and most of the rooms do have ceiling fans, so it's some great ventilation.
Very nice, very nice.
Going into the primary bedroom with a huge closet, alpha shelving, and then again, exactly what you described in the floor below. Look at all of the natural light.
And I love the wood shutters.
And then the tree out front, can you imagine, not only in the fall with the leaves turning, but then in the winter with a little sprinkle of snow? It's just so beautiful. And I'm jealous of the huge primary bathroom. I live in a townhouse from the 1940s where everything is tiny, tiny, tiny. I know you don't see this every day, realtors hanging out in the shower,
Oh no.
but you've got to.
Let me pass you the soap.
Yeah, look at this. I can actually spin around in the shower. It's that big.
All right. So,
Yeah.
man, so we got 1, 2. We got one more. We're going to head it back down.
Head it
Oh, then down and out.
Yes, you've got to go see that casita / carriage house.
This is my favorite part of the house. And why is that?
Rental income potential.
Exactly.
This
You can tell it.
space, yeah, I mean, this space is large enough that it really functions like a studio apartment. Behind us, you do have a wet bar. If you were to add maybe a hot plate or a microwave, this could literally be its own self-contained mini apartment. Great closet space, full bathroom.
Okay.
And even more storage back here. Not to mention the fact that this unit has its own HVAC and water heater. So it really does function like its own separate space, separate rental unit if that's what you wanted to do.
Yeah, and same thing with the light situation. Plenty of light on the front, plenty of light on the back.
And if there wasn't already enough storage in this home, you do have a pull-down attic here for even more.
2-car garage down.
2-car garage below, which is hard to find in this community. In most cases, you do have a 1-car garage. And you have your own private back door pied-à-terre, as they call it. Well, that's the whole home. What did you think?
Beautiful.
It is. And I love this outside space. What a fabulous place to just wrap up the day and have a nice conversation.
Like our own private courtyard.
It is. It very much is. Well, again, just to review, the home is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath home right here in the heart of Alexandria, near Old Town, near Delray, multiple metro stations, and you have your own separate 2-car garage and carriage house, which could be a great potential for rental income, like you said.
Or playroom, or office, or
music room, man cave, art studio, she shed.
Right.
They call it a she shed. Yes, absolutely. So if someone did want to reach out to you, Melvin, about this home, how would they get in touch?
I'd say probably the best way would be to just send an email to Melvin at flagshipgrouprealty.com, or find me on Instagram at @TheRealMelvinYates. What about you? If they want to reach you?
So I would suggest calling our famous number, 703-CALL-K. Yes, that is our real phone number.
Wow.
Or you can always visit khassociates.com.
Super cool. I don't have a cool phone number like that.
Yeah, well, we had to definitely jump through some hoops, but it's easy to remember.
I love this house. Plenty of space, right about 3,000 square feet, courtyard, 2-car garage.
And again, with it being built so recently, within the last 8 years, it's almost like you're buying new construction as well. You know, we didn't even mention the solar panels that were installed on the home. So not only is everything in the home new, but then you get solar panels, save on your electricity bills. It's just icing on the cake.
I like saving.
Yes,
All right.
I think most people do.
Well, this was good. We'll definitely check out the house, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, absolutely.